Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. US dollar index drops to fresh lows near 93.30 http ntvforex.com news ID 800,022 5 minutes ago by Pablo Piavano DXY loses further momentum and hovers around the 93.30 region. US 10-year yields rose to multi-week highs just below 0.70%. US headline, Core CPI rose more than expected in July. The greenback is now losing further ground and drags the US dollar index DXY to fresh daily lows in the vicinity of 93.30 on Wednesday. US dollar index offered post-CPI. The index is now trading well into the negative ground following 3 consecutive daily advances and another failed attempt to retest the key resistance area in the 94.00 neighborhood. In the meantime, bets for a deal regarding a new stimulus package seem to be losing further traction, particularly after Treasury Secretary S. Nukin casted some doubts over a compromise to reach such an agreement. The decline in the index comes on the back of a moderate pickup in investor appetite for riskier assets, and despite yields of the key US 10-year reference managed to clinch fresh multi-week tops just below 0.70%. In the US data space, inflation measured by the headline CPI rose 0.6% MOM and 1.0% YoY, while prices stripping food and energy costs also rose above expectations 0.6% inter-month and 1.6% from a year earlier. What to look for around USD? The dollar managed to leave behind the area of 2-year lows near 92.50 in the second half of last week and reclaimed the boundaries of the 94.00 neighborhood earlier on Wednesday, where is located the so far monthly peaks August 3rd. Looking at the broader picture, and despite the ongoing rebound, investors remain bearish on the dollar against the usual backdrop of a dovish Fed, the unabated advance of the pandemic and somewhat diminishing momentum in the economic recovery, while renewed US-China effervescence appears to have lent some oxygen to the currency as of late. On another front, the speculative community remained well into the negative territory for yet another week, supporting the view that a more serious bearish trend could be shaping up around the dollar. US dollar index relevant levels at the moment: the index is losing 0.29% at 93.38 and faces the next support at 92.52 2020 low August 6 seconded by 91.80 monthly low May 18 and finally 89.23 monthly low April 2018. On the other hand, a break above 93.99 weekly high August 3 would aim for 94.20 38.2% Fibo of the 2017-2018 drop and then 96.03 50% Fibo of the 2017-2018 drop. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.